Report from Kabul said that there are growing concern about restriction on women by Afghan regime, especially through their morality police. According to local and international media, Afghan morality police in Kabul are detaining women who are accused of not properly wearing the veil. According to media report, these actions are part of federal campaign to control how women appear in public places. In some areas of Kabul, women are facing pressure about their clothing and movement outside their homes. Human rights groups say that women freedom in Afghanistan is becoming more limited. International organizations are calling for clear rule and respect for women's rights in Afghanistan. According to report, women in Afghanistan are facing growing limitation in both education and employment. In many areas, girls are not allowed to attend school and women are restricted from working in several sectors. Human rights groups say these restrictions are having a serious impact on women's future as many are being deprived of basic education and job opportunity. They further stated banning women access to education and work can lead to long-term social and economic problems in the country. Remember, according to media report in Kabul city, women are being forced to protest for their rights. In this demonstration, women are raising their voice in support of education, employment, and basic freedom. This situation reflects growing concern over women's rights in Afghanistan.
What if help was just one button away, right in the middle of a road? In Peshawar, a new panic button system is being rolled out to make public spaces safer and response faster. Installed at a key point across the city, these buttons connect directly to the safe city control room. With a single press, citizens can alert police and share live video and audio from the scene. The initiative aims to improve emergency response and offer quick support in critical situation.
मेरा नाम उमर फारूक है और मैं पेशावर यूनिवर्सिटी में रहता हूँ और आज मुझे इस इमरजेंसी बटन के बारे में पता चला है कि ये रेस्क्यू के टाइम में या इमरजेंसी के जो भी हो, अगर कोई चोर आ जाए आप पे या कोई और इमरजेंसी हो आपकी, तो उस टाइम में आप पुलिस को या रेस्क्यू वालों को इस बटन के थ्रू कॉल कर सकते हैं। ये कहते हैं कि ये कनेक्टेड है पुलिस हेड ऑफिस के साथ और रेस्क्यू जो डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं उनके साथ कनेक्टेड है।
A small step in technology, but a big move towards safer streets.